Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUCR Universal Cut. So today let me quickly show you how to cut mid fade. Mid fade. So join your blade together. You see I join it. Texture your hand like this. Can you see I'm doing it? Texture it very well accordingly. We are creating the first guideline. It's going to be skin. Look at it. Texture your hand very well, follow it accordingly, make sure that it's neat. Remember what I told you guys, that barbering requires your maximum time and patience. Don't be rushing people's hair. Do you understand? Don't be rushing. Take your time to make sure that you give them what they want so that they will come back. This guy that I'm cutting his hair now has been cutting his hair for so many years now, and he relocated to a very far place. It was yesterday that he came to visit his elder sister. He called me that he was around, that I should come and touch his hair. This is going to 2 years now. I've not touched his hair. So that's why I told you, know what you are doing. After you have created the first guideline, the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. Bring the gel down. Texture it very well. Please take your time to watch this video from beginning to the end. Not that you just watch video and just leave it. You think that you want to understand what the person was saying. No. Calm down, take your time, relax. There is no how you calm down and take your time and watch this video from beginning to the end that you will not be able to cut this kind of hairstyle. It's very, very simple and short. So make sure you're brushing the hair off, anyone that you remove. As you have created the second guideline finish, now you are going to remove the line. Can you see the first guideline and the second guideline? There is line in between. Now bring the gear up. Don't close it finish. I normally call it semi-low cut. Then you remove the line. After you remove the line finish, if the line did not remove finish, then you cannot join the blade together fully to remove any unnecessary one. Do you understand? So please, if today is your first time I see my channel, make sure that you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, because you are going to benefit from this channel. And make sure you share, like, comment, ask questions, share. Don't be stingy. So after you have removed that and finished, do you see what I did now? I joined the blade together fully to remove the remaining little line that you see there. This head is very, very strong. His hair is very, very strong to blend, and his hair scalp is very, very strong too. So you have to take your time. It's not easy, but I really took my time to make sure that I gave him what he wanted. Do you understand? Because it's been long. That is why I told you guys that know what you are doing. People that know your words will surely come. If I told you what he told me, he said that he has missed my hand. So after this one, now you pick up your step 1, put it on low cut level, and create the third guideline, which is this third guideline now that will give you the blending shape before you now blend it. I told you that it's a mid fade. I'm going to bring the full hair down to a low cut level because of the beards, because I'm the one that gave him this style. I told you that this is what will fit. You have beards, so you have to be bringing the hair down, because if the hair is bushy and the beard is bushy, no, it's not going to look nice. Can you see it? Still put it on low cut level, or you put it on skin level, depending on the level of the size you want. Can you see it? So make sure you share this video. Take your time to watch this video. It's not easy. I remember I said no. I have to make this tutorial for you people. So for me to take time to make this tutorial, please take your time to watch it so that you understand every bit of it. Can you see the way I do teach my own? There is no how you be following I don't want to start talking about people's testimony on my channel, on my work. I don't want to start talking about it. Now look at it now. When I ask if the hair is okay, like I say, it should still cut down a bit. Now see what you're going to do. You still put it on that low cut level on step 1, then you take it backward. You take it backward. Do you understand? Most of you don't know this one, right? And most of you also know this one. You take it backward and be brushing it. This is what we call last low cut. If I remove the step 1 now, I use only blade low cut. It is last low cut. But since it's still step 1, there's something I'm going to teach you people. If you are not be following me on on Facebook and my TikTok, where I do like short videos, where I give out those tips. Make sure you follow me. Go there and follow me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you join my membership pack. Please, it's not easy. If you know that I'm truly trying and you are benefiting from all my videos, please join my membership pack to support me. Please. Even those of you that have been watching my Facebook, TikTok, please subscribe to my Facebook subscription, my TikTok subscription to support me, please. It's not easy, but whoever that wants to, do you understand? So can you see what I'm doing? You should know this one now. See what I'm doing is what under low cut level, on skin level, under step 1. You see I'm doing it. Can you see that it's under skin level? Now after you have done that thing, you remove your step 1. If you remove your step 1, you open the blade to low cut level. You open it like this. You turn your hand downward. You barb it. You blend it down as if you are barbing normal low cut. You blend the tip side because you are going to clean up the. When you created the third guideline, which is step 1, there is still line between the step 1 and the normal blade guideline. So you have to barb it down as if you are barbing low cut so that you will see the shape of this line. Sorry, NEPA took light. That is why. So you see the shape. Once you see the shape, you still blend it up so that you can be able to blend it up. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? So this is how to cut it. It's very, very simple. So thank you. Welcome back. My boy has put on the gel. So look at it. Make sure you are brushing it. If you are a very good observant, you understand what I told you that about his hair scalp is very, very strong. See, when you meet a strong hair, see the way I use my left hand to stretch his head. Can you see it? So that the shape, I will see the shape very well to blend it. Can you see how I'm taking it? How I'm flicking it? Can you see it? So that is how you follow it. Make sure you're brushing it. Do you understand? Please make sure you share this video. That is my own. Please share this video. Let other people benefit from it. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't come out here and be putting out these tutorials for you people. A lot of people have benefited. A lot of people have told me that their barbing skills has changed since they have started watching my video. I don't want to start. I just give all the glory to God because it's the one that gave it to me, and I'm giving you people freely. So share, like, comment, join my membership pack to support me. So after you have done it like this, remember what I told you about semi-low cut. I'm the one that nicknamed it semi-low cut. You will not join the blade finish. You will not join it finish to skin level. You open it a bit to remove the lines. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see that the shape is coming out? The shape is coming out, right? So please make sure, please, I'm begging you, make sure that you share this video, like, comment, ask questions, join my membership pack to support me. It's not easy, please. So see what I'm doing. You have to take your time. Like I said, you have to take your time to make sure you detail. What I'm doing now is a detailed work. You may have to take your time to detail the work, to remove anywhere. That's why I told you that barbering requires your maximum attention, your patience. Then after this, you can close the blade finish to skin level to make sure that you remove any part that you see that did not remove very well. You remove it. You see, this is practical and raw. Can you see it? This is practical and raw. There is no how you take your time and watch this video that you will not. If you have neighbor or you have a brother or a sister that is still going to school that you will not like to practicalize it, and you surely get it. Follow it step by step. You surely get it. After that, you still turn your hand downward, put it under low cut level by bringing the gel down to trim off the excess hair. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm detailing all this hair now. Can you see it? Can you see it? Make sure that you take your time to do all this thing that I'm doing. HUC, High Universal Cutz, is a place where you learn anything you want to learn. Anything that is difficult for you, once you come to this channel, come to my page, you surely learn it in a way that is very, very easy to understand. That thing that I think that is difficult, when you come to my channel, you see that it's very, very simple and easy. Can you see it? You rake it down. All this one, they are just, let me say, miscellaneous. You just do the remaining things that you want to do. After that, look at it. You take your time to detail the work. Make sure you clean it very well. Can you see it? It's very, very simple and short. Barbering is not hard when you have passion for it. But barbering is hard when you don't have passion for it. Don't learn this work because of your friend, your neighbor, your cousin, anybody around you is doing barbering. I love you. Share, follow.